Want to learn how I shoot and edit my UGC ads? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I created this UGC ad from start to finish. You get unlimited automatic subtitles and you can animate them in just a few clicks. Full access to all the stock footage, music and sound effects, 50 AI avatar presenters, templates for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube. Oh, and let's not forget, no more watermark. Let's go. First things first, filming. So normally when you're shooting any UGC type of content, the brand will always give you a tight brief. And this is going to include a script, a shot list, and a brand kit of sorts, meaning where they'd like it filmed, indoors or outdoors, wardrobe suggestions, what the brand colors are, what frame rate to shoot in, and how long they want the video to be. Now keep in mind that a lot of the time when you shoot UGC style videos, the brands are going to ask for the raw footage as well as the edit. So knowing this, unless it is clearly stated otherwise on the brief, I always find it best to shoot 16:9 and make sure to leave plenty of room around the subject, which is going to be myself or the product. Now that way, when it comes to the edit, brands can repurpose the same video over and over, cropping it to fit numerous social media platforms. So when filming, I'm also going to shoot multiple takes, just so I have some choice and variety when it comes to the edit. So let's move on to how I edit my UGC style videos using Veed. Similarly to the filming brief, brands usually give an editing brief. They're going to provide the fonts and the colors that they want you to use for text titles and captions. Now along with that, they also want product and service clips to appear throughout the video. This is what we're going to call B-roll. So firstly, let's hop onto Veed and we're going to click upload a file, select our UGC style video where we're talking to the camera. Now once that's uploaded, we're going to resize it to fit any social media platform. In the project settings here, you'll see the size option. Click the drop down arrow and you can select whichever platform you need for your UGC video. Then it automatically fits your video to that size. You can play around with what fits inside the frame by click, hold and dragging it over, then pulling or pushing on the corner and sides. Next, we're going to trim the fat, meaning we're going to remove any oohs, ahs, ems or awkward pauses. To do this, we're going to click Magic Cut and in one click, it trims our UGC video. The next thing we need to do is refer back to our UGC brief to see what shots they want in the video to make it more visually appealing and interesting. So this is what we can call B-roll. This is going to be our product shots, or if it's a tutorial, it could be a screen record. Click Media in the toolbar and select Upload File. Now you're going to choose the footage that you want to overlay on your UGC video. Once it's loaded, we're going to drag and drop it to the point that we want it to show up on screen. If it is longer than needed, just push the clip over to the left to shorten it, and don't forget to turn the audio off on your B-roll. You can add as many clips as you need by repeating this. Now for this UGC video, I've been asked to include an animated text title with my name. I'm going to place my playhead here to the start of my video and then click Text in the toolbar. Any of these titles with circles on them, that means that they're animated. I could opt for one of those, but since I need to customize mine, I'm going to select Headline Title. I'm then going to fill in my name and choose the brand font, size and color. I'm going to add an effect here to make it easier to read, and lastly, I'm going to choose an animation. Now in all the UGC videos I've made, 99% of them request that I add captions. Now this does sound like a long and tedious task, which it could be, but I'm going to show you how to add them in just a few seconds. Click Subtitles in the toolbar, click Auto Subtitle, choose your spoken language and click Create Subtitles. Click the Styles tab and now we can customize our subtitles by choosing our brand font, size, color, effect and animation. And the final piece to complete our UGC style video is background music. Veed has an entire library of copyright-free music for you to choose from. Brands are going to always ask for copyright-free music if your video is for socials. This is because apps like Instagram and TikTok, they are notorious for removing tracks and leaving your video like a silent movie. Place your playhead to the very beginning of your talking head UGC video, click Audio in the toolbar and then click Search next to stock music. You can search for anything you like. You could even type in a music trait to narrow down your search. Then press the play button to hear a demo of the track. And once you've found the right one, click the plus sign. If your track is longer than your video, just push it over to the left so that everything ends in sync and you can lower down the volume if needed. Our UGC video is looking perfect, so let's export it. Click Done in the top right hand corner and click where it says Quality. Then choose your render settings, go back and click Export Video. Give that a moment here to render, and once it's done, we can watch it back to see how it turned out. Lastly, click download and download MP4. And that's it. That's how I create my UGC style videos from start to finish. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.